In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start earning real money online on Digistore 24, even as a complete beginner. I'm going to break down all the whole process in this video, and I promise if you stick with me to the end of this video, you'll be on your way to start earning real money online. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And all you need to do is to basically head over to digistore24.com. And once you come over to this website, all you need to do is to click on register now. And once you do that, you want to basically enter your details right here and you will have your account created instantly. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And if you are not seeing this, you want to make sure to locate where it says marketplace. All right, so once you click on that, it's definitely going to bring you to this page. So basically you can use this strategy for any category of your choice. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be picking the health and fitness niche as an example. So I'm going to click on this, and once I do that, as you can see, there are over 140 products available under this category alone. And keep in mind, not all of these products are profitable. So basically, before you select any product, you want to make sure to check the ratings of that product, because that is going to give you insight on how that product is performing and if other affiliates are making money with that product. As you can see, the first product right here has a 4 out of 5 star rating, which is quite high, and that tells you other affiliates are currently making money promoting this product. So now that tells us we can definitely promote this product and make money. And now before you promote this product, you need to give people value upfront. All right, and to do that, all you need to do is to basically go over to Google and look for a high quality content that you are going to use to promote this product. All right, so since this product is about how to lose weight with keto meal plan, all you just need to do is to basically go over to Google and you want to type in something like how to lose weight with keto meal plan or keto diet. All right, so now you are going to see a lot of search results on Google, but I recommend you stick to the one on top because that tells you a lot of people found value in those articles. That is why they are ranking high on Google. So I'm going to take the first one as an example. So if I click on this, so as you can see right here, a ketogenic diet to lose weight and fight metabolic disease. All right, so basically if I scroll down, you are going to see that this is a high quality article that people are going to enjoy, and in turn we are going to make money with this article. And I'm going to show you how to do this so that you don't encounter copyright issues. Okay, so the next step is to basically copy the link to this article. So once you copy the link to this article, all you need to do is to head over to this website called exitbar.io. So basically this website allows you to basically shorten any link, and at the same time they allow you to also promote your link as well. I know this may sound a little bit confusing, but I'm going to definitely demonstrate this process and show you how I do this. Okay, so once you come over to the website, all you just need to do is to paste in the link right here, and you want to click on shorten. All right, so once you do that, as you can see right here, this is the article link, and now you want to click on go. All right, so now for this section, you want to basically give this link a name, something like number 1 keto meal plan to lose weight. So now for this pop-up type, I recommend you leave it as simple pop-up. So now once you do this, all you just need to do is to basically click on next. So for this section, this is where you are going to type in the heading you want to use to promote the Digistore 24 product. Okay, so now as you can see, you can use the same as the name of this link, which is number 1 keto meal plan to lose weight. And now for this section, you can basically add text. As you can see, you can add up to 200 letters. So basically you can type in something simple like this: ketogenic meal plan that is proven to burn fat quickly. So once you do this, you want to basically scroll down, and for the location of the pop-up, you can basically select anyone you want right here. Usually leave mine at top right. Okay, so you want to leave it like this. You want to come over to this section right here that says button text. So you want to type in something like learn more. All right, so now once you do this, you want to basically go back to Digistore 24, and here you want to copy your affiliate link by clicking on the promote button right here. So once you copy the link, you want to basically paste in the link right here. And also you can add images if you want to do that, but it's not necessary. I don't use it, but you can basically experiment if you want to use images. All right, so once everything is done, all you need to do is to click on next step. So once you do that, here you want to click on generate link. So once you do that, you want to basically make sure to select the free plan right here, but basically you can go for the paid plans if you want, but you can get started with the free plan and still get massive results. All right, so once you create your account, as you can see right here, your link is ready. All right, so basically you want to copy this link and then you want to paste it in a new tab to see what it looks like. So as you can see, I've pasted the link in a new tab, and now you can see this is the call to action right here. Number 1 keto meal plan to lose weight. And once people click on this learn more button, as you can see, it's going to bring them to this Digistore 24 products. Okay, so basically once they click and watch what this product is all about and they purchase this product, you make $23. All right. So basically it's that simple. Now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to this product and start making passive income online. So now I'm going to show you an example of a page who is currently using this strategy to make money. All right, you can see this is an Instagram profile and this person is promoting a product. You can see their post is getting engagement right here. All they just need to do is to post in ketogenic meal plans on their page, and basically you can see they are getting a lot of engagement on their page right here, and you can see they are definitely promoting a product in their bio, as you can see right here. You don't need to have a lot of followers before you make money. As you can see, this is also another page with just over 2,000 followers, and you can see right here they are promoting a clickbank product right here as well. But I recommend you use the exit bar link instead, because people are going to go over to a page that is going to give them a lot of information about that niche, and once they see the pop-up on the page and they click on it, it's definitely going to bring them to this product where if they purchase it, you make money. Okay, so basically all you just need to do is to create a simple account like this and get ideas from how these people structure their profile, and you want to basically replicate the same strategy. And now you may be wondering, where and how do you get content to post on your Instagram? So now the first strategy and the first method to get content to post on your Instagram is by coming over to pexels.com, where you can get absolutely free images that you can use without any problem. All you need to do is to type in something like keto meal plan in the search bar, and you are going to see free images that you can upload to your profile for absolutely free. As you can see right here, I can use over 17,000 images for free. So basically this is the first method of how to get content, and the second method is basically coming over to Google and you want to type in something like keto meal plan as well. And once you do that, you can see this is a meal you can use right here. You can see this is also another one right here, and basically you can see this is also another right here. Okay, and also before you do that, you want to come over to this section that says tools, and you want to come over to right usage, and you want to click on Creative Commons. So basically once you do this, this is going to show you images that you can use for free without having any problem. Okay, so basically you can see this is one right here that you can use. You can see this is also another one you can use without any problem. So basically you want to download these images and post them to your Instagram account. So once you do this, you want to also look for a related account in your niche, and all you just need to do is to click on followers and follow their followers. So basically this is all you need to do to start getting faster engagement on your content, and that way once people who are related in that niche are engaging with your content, Instagram is going to push your content more to similar audience. And if you are consistent posting content regularly, you will definitely get that boost and start getting followers and start making money in passive income. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.